Hello,
It's me,
I'm Steve.
and we're down at Disney Springs, and we're going to Homecoming
Yeah.
for brunch. We've been to Homecoming once before, but never for brunch, and I love breakfast, I love brunch, I love anything dealing with breakfast foods. I would eat breakfast 3 times a day. I love it. I do!
Okay, let me go. Yeah.
Tell me you don't love a good Eggs Benedict.
Yeah, because I don't know what kind of food you get. You know.
I've checked the menu, but not years ago, like a year ago when I was planning it, so I'm losing my voice a bit. Steve will be happy about that one. So we'll give you a little glance of our food, tell you what we think.
Yeah.
And it's a gorgeous day here today. See that sunshine? Oh, gorgeous. It's really cool. Well, I say really cool. It's what, 70s?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Well, what 14 to 15 for people back home.
Oh, yeah, for people who don't follow Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
But it's gorgeous.
At the moment, yeah.
Fantastic.
Still get warm later, but 24, 25.
That's a bit warm for us.
Yeah.
For here it's
But
not, but
right now,
for us it
perfect.
is. So we'll let you know how the food is. See you in a little bit.
Yep. Bye. That's one. No,
I forgot to mention when I was yapping earlier what a beautiful place Disney Springs is. They've done a fantastic job. And just look at Art Smith's Homecoming. It looks like you're going into someone's house and you're having tea on their screened porch. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so that was brunch at the trough that was Art Smith's Homecoming.
Yeah.
So much food.
Yeah, eat more food there.
So much food, but oh my god, you can't quit eating it. It is so good.
Really good.
He had the eggs Benedict, but done differently. It had pimento cheese in the hollandaise sauce.
Yeah.
And I had a biscuit with chicken and gravy and an egg and bacon. That gravy makes you proud to be a Southerner.
Yeah, good thing for it.
Oh God, we started with donuts. Donuts that were like heaven. Honestly, I would have been happy just with those.
Yeah, you can really put all those.
So we started with the donuts. I cannot forget the donuts. Who would put bacon on donuts? It was amazing. Bacon and pecans on sweet, like glazed donuts.
Yeah.
Oh, to die for good.
Yeah.
I told the server, I said, Art Smith, honestly, I get nostalgic once in a great while. Missing the South. I miss Thanksgiving. I miss Halloween's more of a thing here. This made me miss gravy. My grandmother used to do gravy to die for, and his was better.
Yeah.
She's not around. She's not gonna be fussy. Anyway, yeah, that was incredible, and if you're here, I highly recommend it.
Yep.
Highly.
Yeah. Well worth doing.
On the dining plan, we got desserts.
Yeah.
We got sorry,
Main and
main and a drink and dessert.
Yeah.
And we ate one there, part of one there, and we're taking
The other one.
part of one home, or one whole one home, because it's just too much food. But it's so good, you just don't want to stop eating it. I can't recommend it enough. I love this place.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
If you want to try real Southern food, give it a try. It's delicious.
Yep.
What a
Highly
beautiful
recommend.
start to our holiday.
Yeah, now walk it off.
Yeah, let's walk. No, to walk that off, I think I'd have to walk back to Scotland. That was good.
Yeah.
Great start to our holiday. See you soon. Thanks for watching.
All right.